exploring the phrase Yowza. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting and slightly quirky phrase from the English language, Yowza. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how and when to use it. Let's get started. Yowza is an informal exclamation used to express surprise or enthusiasm. Originating from 20th century American slang, it's somewhat old-fashioned but can still be heard in movies, TV shows, or used humorously in conversations. Think of it as a more playful and vintage way of saying, wow, or amazing. You might use Yowza in various situations. 1. Seeing something impressive. If someone shows you an incredible magic trick or reveals a stunning new look, you can respond with, Yowza. That's amazing. 2. Hearing surprising news. When a friend shares unexpected or shocking news, like winning a contest, you might exclaim, Yowza. That's fantastic news. 3. In humor or playfulness. Since it's a bit old-fashioned, using it in a light-hearted or humorous context can add a fun twist. For instance, if a friend wears retro clothing, you can laugh and say, Yowza. Look at you, going all vintage on us. Yowza is believed to have evolved from the combination of yes and ow, capturing both agreement and surprise. It gained popularity in the 1930s and 1940s, especially in dance and music scenes. While it's not as commonly used in day-to-day language today, it's a fun phrase that can make your conversation sound more colorful and playful. So, the next time you're in a situation where you want to express surprise, admiration, or just want to have a playful twist in your conversation, remember the phrase, Yowza. We hope this video has given you a fun addition to your English vocabulary arsenal. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.